Hello world, hello Philippines, hi fellow Mavrudians. Uh, okay, this is Raul Royca again from Cebu, Philippines, and I'm here again to testify that MMM Global Pace. Last week I provided help in the amount of 25,000 pesos in the V2 mining. And with a growth of 10%, it becomes 27,500. And after a week, I get help a total of 30,000 because there's a new promo now of the maximum mining, which is 30,000, and same 5 days freezing days and 10% interest. So that is the amount that I get help, and I think it runs for 2 days before I got the whole amount, since some participants who are assigned were not able to dispatch their help right away to me. So I just completed the whole amount today. So guys, I'm very happy and very thankful to all the participants of MMM community, whole Philippines, and please continue to be uh, honest and sensitive to our system so that all the participants will feel satisfied with their uh, donations and help uh, asked by every member of the community. So thank you so much to our father founder, Sir Sergey, my brother. Thank you, sir, and to all the administrators of MMM community. Thank you to all the managers, to all the leaders, and to all the participants of MMM Philippines. Together, we can change the world. Thank you and God bless.